Here are a few engaging scripts used to refill your empty perfume bottle. I made them simple, catchy, and easy for my customer. I go by the name Luxury Perfume, who mix your favorite perfume for an affordable prices. Clapperboard Script 1, simple and clean, tutorial style. Got an empty perfume bottle? Don't throw it away. Today, I'll show you how to refill it easily. First, remove the spray cap gently. Next, take your new perfume and align the nozzle. Now press down slowly to transfer the fragrance. Keep going until it's full. And just like that, your perfume is ready again. Save money, reduce waste, and smell amazing every day. Clapperboard Script 2, short and catchy, TikTok/Reels. Empty perfume? No problem. Pop off the top. Attach your refill. Press, and fill. In seconds, you're back smelling fresh. Simple, smart, and budget-friendly. Clapperboard Script 3, Luxury Vibe, Promotional Style. Why throw away elegance, when you can refill it? With just a few simple steps, your favorite scent lives on. Open. Align. Refill. Luxury isn't replaced, it's renewed. Stay fresh. Stay confident. Always. Clapperboard Script 4, Engaging Story Style. You're about to go out. You grab your perfume, and it's empty. Don't panic. Just remove the top, connect your refill, and press gently. Within seconds, your fragrance is back. Now you're ready to step out, smelling unforgettable. Clapperboard Script 5, Educational Style. Refilling your perfume bottle is easier than you think. Start by removing the cap and exposing the valve. Use a refill bottle with a compatible nozzle. Press firmly to transfer the liquid. This method helps you save money and keep your favorite scent longer.